Rewarded Play storage usage depends on your device, app version, and the games you install through the platform, because the app itself is only one part of the total storage used. By the end, you'll know what affects Rewarded Play storage, how to check its space usage on your phone, and how to reduce storage problems without removing the app. The first thing to understand is that Rewarded Play itself does not represent the only storage impact. The mobile games you download through the app can use much more space than the Rewards app. When you choose a game through Rewarded Play, your phone stores that game's files separately. Larger games with more graphics, updates, and extra content usually require more storage than smaller casual games. To check how much space Rewarded Play is using, open your phone settings and view the app storage information. On Android, go to Settings, open Apps, select Rewarded Play, and check the storage section. On iPhone, open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage, and find Rewarded Play in the app list. The second thing to check is the storage used by the games connected to Rewarded Play. If your phone is running low on space, unused games are often the first place to review. Remove games you have finished or no longer play. This frees storage while keeping your Rewarded Play account available for future use. The third step is managing app data. Mobile apps can store temporary files and cached information over time. If Rewarded Play is using more space than expected, check whether clearing unnecessary data or reinstalling the app is appropriate for your device. Before removing an app, make sure your account information is saved so you can access your rewards correctly. Storage problems can also affect your experience. A phone with very little free space may have issues installing updates, downloading new games, or running apps smoothly. Keep enough available storage before starting new game offers. This prevents interruptions when you are trying to complete tasks. To summarize, Rewarded Play storage usage comes from both the app and the games connected to it. Check your phone's storage settings, remove unused games, and monitor available space before installing new offers. Your next step is to open your device storage settings and see exactly how much space Rewarded Play and its games are using. If this guide helped you manage Rewarded Play storage, like the video and subscribe for more earning app guides.